All right, so what this picture says, these are the keys that may come, right? If what our key is a social insurance number that has 9 digits, then these are going to be all 9-digit numbers, right? And then these are the ones that we actually have to store, right? 10 to the 9 this is a big set, right? We're never getting all of them. We're just getting some of them. And what are we going to do? We're going to flip coins and choose a random hash function. All right? And I haven't told you how to do that yet, but it's easy. And what the blue lines are a random hash function. So what it's doing is it's taking every possible key and mapping it to a random place in the array, right? So we have an array, it's of a given size, right? And then when items come, 103, you look up, you hash the 103, and it puts you somewhere in the table, and then you store it, right? Everybody get that? And though the blue hash function is random, we're going to choose, it doesn't change, right? When we decide that the array is going to have this size, we choose a random hash function, and then we use it until we shut down this data structure and start over again, right? Why might you do that? Well, it gets too full. So you just start everything over again with an array, right? So that way, if you're looking for something, you say, hey, where's 103? You hash 103, it puts you somewhere in the table, and there it is, right? Everybody get the problem? And what are the various things we still have to discuss is how do we get this random hash function? What properties do we want? And how do you deal with, what's the big missing piece here? Collisions, right? Right? Because you could have 2 keys that go to the same cell. And then you have to deal with that somehow, right? And you could probably study your entire life on ways that people have dealt with that, right? So we're certainly not going to cover them all. I think we're kind of ahead of, oh yeah, we're too far ahead.